G'day everyone, it's Alder from AC Solar Warehouse, and I'm here with Dom, who's the AC Solar Warehouse Atmoce product specialist.
G'day guys.
And today Dom is going to be doing an unboxing of the new Atmoce battery and M combiner. So follow us, we'll have a look.
Hey guys, today I'm here to show off what's new and awesome from Atmoce. We have a very simple product lineup here. We've got the M-ELV battery, which is the same battery you'll use for all of your single and three-phase jobs and is fully scalable. We've got the M combiner single phase and the M combiner three-phase behind me. And those are all the major components to make the Atmoce battery system. So it's just 3 SKUs for all scenarios. This battery uses LFP, lithium iron phosphate chemistry, and that's great news for the homeowner because it's a less volatile battery chemistry if anything ever goes wrong. So if the cells are ever damaged due to a home fire or like a collision with a vehicle, it's a much less volatile response than certain other battery chemistries on the market.
As battery technology has developed, we're seeing manufacturers push to higher and higher voltages to chase higher and higher efficiency. And this is good for efficiency, but it does increase your risk of fault. Atmoce have done it a more intelligent way. Instead of an evolution, it's more of a revolution. They've come up with a more efficient 3-stage conversion process to get as much energy as they can out of the battery and into your home with lower voltages throughout.
Okay, so we've already spoken about safety and reliability. The next great thing about this battery is flexibility. So you can have up to 6 of these per M combiner on the same site, and you can expand even beyond that by having multiple combiners, and they all just link together with Ethernet or FE cable. So this is a 7 kilowatt-hour battery module. That's 7 kilowatt hours usable, so you get exactly what you see on the label. And you can expand this system almost indefinitely. You can start with 1 battery all the way up to 6 per M combiner, and then multiple M combiners can be connected together on the same or different buildings on a site, and all work together for export limiting and overall system control, and all appear on the same monitoring platform. So you know you've got a quality system here. And that flexibility is for the whole life of the system. So even after you've finished your install, you can come back and add 1, 2, 3, 10 batteries later. It's all possible with Atmoce. Atmoce have a microinverter product coming, which we're very excited about. But in the meantime, this can be retrofit to any inverter brand out there, so it's the perfect upgrade for your existing PV customers. So behind me, I've got the M combiner. This is the brains of the system. It handles your export limiting and your online monitoring. It's also the backup hub for the system and provides whole home or partial backup with 10 millisecond switching.